Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful morning. Right now, it is about 8:30, somewhere between 8:30 and 9 a.m. And I am getting breakfast inside of me. Most of my breakfast always consists of fruits. I eat a lot of fruits to begin my day. Those are soursop leaves I harvested yesterday, and I'm going to make tea with that today for lunch. But I harvested some butterfly peas this morning and a leisure pepper. And this cup, this mug, put them in a pot. Put them in a pot, y'all. This is from Back to Our Roots Homestead. And what do he mean by put them in a pot? It's about that fall garden, baby. It's about the brassicas. Yeah, it's about those greens. It's amazing. I love this coffee cup. And if you are interested in this mug, I'm going to leave a link in my description box for it. It's amazing, y'all. I'm looking forward to this morning. Even though we having all of this rain, nothing is going to stop me. That's just God's business, you know? That's just God's business. I have some apple juice, water. I have some grapefruits, grapes, bananas, and Jada made a cake. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda, and it is a rainy day in New Orleans. But that was not going to stop me from dropping my seeds. No. I wanted to get my carrots in this raised bed. And family, that is just what I did. That's what I did. I got my carrots in. I wanted them to be dropped on around the edge of this raised bed. Yeah, so I got my seed starting mix. It's some topsoil and peat moss. That is all that is in this soil. And I got all of my carrots together, and now I have dropped them all around. It's like making a L. That's what I did. It's like a L shape. I also found some garlic cloves in my pocket. So, yep. I dropped them too, family. I dropped them too. So there was this thing that Jody looked at my purse the other day, and she found about 5 packs of seeds. So this is just to the ladies. Do you have seeds in your purse? Jody says when she found the seeds, she says, I'm a gardener. Of course I have seeds in my purse. So my question is to you, the ladies, do you have a pack of seeds in your purse right now? Let me know in the comments, all right? But even though it was a cloudy, rainy day, it did not stop me from doing the things I wanted to do. They all watered in, and it's all around. Well, it's like an L. Right? And I have some garlic. So it looks like it's about to pour down again. So I'm going to stop for now. But listen, I'm sitting here and let me share with you all what I spotted. Yup, a brand new blossom. I didn't see her, so she's maybe been here for maybe about 3 or 4 days, but I didn't see her. But there she is, a new blossom. So Josh came over on the weekend, and he brought home a rack of plantains. He chopped down 1 rack of plantains. And now this is what I see. That is just so cool. A new blossom. Yeah. She's on one of the biggest plantain plants. That's where she is. She's gonna be a big rack. A big girl. That's so awesome. They are truly fertile. They are fertile, baby. So this is Jada's raised bed, and I have candy roaster squash in here, turmeric, butterfly peas, zinnias. Oh baby, we got zinnias in here. But I saw this on yesterday, but this is a male flower. Another male flower fell, and I'm seeing more and more males. I haven't seen a female yet, but she'll be here soon, y'all. She'll be here soon. Let me look on the other side. So this is the Georgia candy roaster squash. That's what this is. As you can see, she's putting on more flowers. I'm watching these bees because they over here. Yeah, she's putting on more flowers, but I haven't spotted any females. Here goes another one. No females yet, but it won't be long. Yeah. Oh man, I love this zinnia. Look at the color of it. She's really pretty. But they're getting there. They're getting there, y'all. So the rain has slowed up, but this is my Jamaican Sorrow, and yeah, I did plant them late, but this is what they're doing, the Jamaican Sorrow. So I'm looking forward to them. I just have 2 plants, but I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with it. Yeah. What are you gonna do, baby? What are you gonna do? Thank you. Yeah, that's the Jamaican Sorrow. They're doing good. So I had Basil go to seed here, and as you can see, that's Basil. That is Basil. No need for me to drop a seed. She dropped it for me, baby. Yeah. She's in this container here, and they're doing good. I'm gonna grab a few okra that I have here. Let's see. This is Guava. That's a pink guava tree. Yeah. So let's get these okras. I have a few today. I'm gonna be letting them go to seed. Maybe a few I will, but not today. Not today. I'm gonna get enough so I can make me some okra and tomatoes. I thought I seen another. Oh, it's not right yet. That's how the flower was open this morning. Yeah. I shared with you all last month that my fig trees dropped their leaves and they put them back. Well, this is LSU Gold. And as you can see, she's putting her leaves right back on. This is my LSU Purple. Now these are the way her leaves were looking. They're falling off, but there they go. They're all coming back. It's a mosquito hog. And Fiona. This is Fiona, and as you can see, she's putting her leaves back on. A lot of them. Well, all of them fell off of her. And this is the brown turkey. And as you can see, a lot of her leaves are brown, but baby girl is full of figs. She's full of figs. Yeah. And I've been eating them. Yeah. Yeah, but also, this is my lemon tree. My lemons are beautiful, and they are turning yellow. I've been eating them, y'all, because look, I don't play. I don't play with them. I really don't. When I need a lemon, I come out to my tree and I get a lemon. Whether it is green or yellow, it's a lemon. I treat it as such. Yeah. So, y'all see that over there? It's a leisure. And I gotta get her, y'all. See if I can reach over there. Right. Here is my leisure. And I harvest 40 beautiful butterfly peas this morning. And the rain is steady coming down. That's okay though. But there they are for today. Now I'm going to put these on my counter and just kind of let them dry. But then I'm going to clean them and I'm going to put them in my brown paper bag. Yeah. It's raining. It's raining. All right, y'all. So this is my beans I'm going to drop. And I'm going to drop them here. Now I made some lines here. And let's get these beans. Because it is raining out here, y'all. All right. There go my beans. They're all planted. And now I'm just gonna drop soil. My neighbor's looking at me like, that woman is crazy out there. Yeah. Just call me crazy, baby. Just call me crazy. Yeah. But there we go. But these are the long beans, and they need a trellis. So I'm gonna put a trellis right in the back, and we're gonna have the bush beans in the front, the pole beans in the back. Yeah. But we're gonna have some beans, baby. Now I'm just pressing them down so there's no air pockets, and they are all touching the soil. Get in there, mama. And now, I'm going to let God do the rest.